Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. I am Bimal from App Guide, and in today's guide video, I am going to guide you on how you can fix the issue if Instagram says that music isn't available in your region. But before we get started with the video, if you are new to this channel, then do make sure to leave a like as well as hit that subscribe button. And without any further ado, let us get started with today's tutorial. The first thing we want to do, for example, let's say that when you open Instagram and then take a story and then you want to upload a music, but Instagram says that Instagram music isn't available in your region. Now the issue with that is that the most likely the case is that Instagram hasn't rolled out that feature in your region or the country in which you are currently living in. That is the reason why Instagram music is not available in your region, because Instagram haven't officially permitted to use Instagram music on your region. So how do we go about fixing that? The only way to fix that is to actually use a virtual private network or a VPN service. Now in this video, I'm going to show you how to download and install a VPN. You could be on your Android device as well as your iOS device, it doesn't really matter. And in the search box, you want to simply go ahead and type in Touch VPN. Now I have tried other VPNs, but this VPN is by far the best working one. So you want to make sure that you are also installing this Touch VPN. I mean, you could use any other VPNs as per your choice, but I'm going to simply install Touch VPN, and then you want to click on the green install button for the Android users, and if you're on your iOS, you want to click on the cloud-like icon in order to go ahead and download this Touch VPN app. After downloading Touch VPN, I'm going to simply open this VPN right over here and then connect to a service or connect to a region where the Instagram music is available. For example, you could connect to US, Canada, and so many more other regions. You can simply tap on best choice right over here and then select your preferable location, or if you want, then you can also simply go ahead and tap and connect, and it will automatically connect to the best location which is available for you. After it is done connecting, you will be able to see a success button. So let's wait until the connection has been completed. So you can see we have successfully connected to a VPN or a virtual private network. So now we are going to simply go back to Instagram and see whether this issue has been fixed or not. I'm going to simply try to upload a Instagram music right over here. Let me go ahead and tap on the story button. Now let's say I want to add a music, so I'm going to simply tap on the sticker icon on the top of the screen, and here you will be able to see an option called music. Now if I tap on music right over here, you can see that you can search for music and then browse for whichever music you want on the Instagram app. So the only thing about this is that you want to make sure you are using a virtual private network or a VPN. So this was the way on how you can actually fix if Instagram music is not available in your region. You simply want to use a VPN and connect to other regions where Instagram music is available. We hope this video was really helpful to you, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe. If you have any more questions, then also make sure to leave them down in the comment section. As always, thank you very much for watching till the end, and see you soon in our next video.